Let's create a live YouTube thumbnail for streamers and how to turn any low quality frame from the stream into a great looking thumbnail. I'm pretty sure thumbnails like this have popped up in your YouTube feed at least a couple of times. Well, today I'm going to reveal the secret, man. So let's get into it, man. So first, let's understand the process and the concept itself. The process has 3 parts. Step 1, the video itself. You can grab it from Twitch, Kick or YouTube. And then we move on to the second and most important part, which is taking the screenshot. And I've been asked by thousands of people, Red, how do you take a high quality screenshot in seconds? So what I use in my case is an extension called Ostendo. Super quick to set up and you can even create a shortcut for easy access. I use Ctrl+D, then you just go to any frame you want and press download. And then we go to the last and easiest part, working on a thumbnail in Photoshop. Open yours up, man, and let's get straight to it. Oh my mama, we lit. Before we start, I just launched my online community Thmb to help you learn thumbnail design the right way and get free assets to speed up your process. Now, after putting the screenshots into Photoshop, we're going to select the subject using the quick selection tool. Once we finish, we'll clean up any mistakes Photoshop makes by using the lasso tool, and that's while holding Alt. And here is a pro tip. Press Q to switch to the selection view and check if it needs any adjustment. Create a line mask by clicking this icon. And after the selection is clean, export our image that needs to be enhanced. And the secret most of these live channels use is reminding. It will help you get the exact face retouch. So yeah, I'm not gatekeeping that for sure. After we enhance the image, we're going to play with the camera raw filter so we can boost the lights and the shadows and the colors as well. Now let's move our streamer to the middle of the thumbnail. Now grab the background image you want to use. In my case, it's simple gunboard. I'm flipping it the other side around to draw attention from left to right. Then go back to our streamer and create a curves layer to adjust the light one more time so he stands out. Now let's add a hue and saturation layer to color the object he's holding. Press colorize and choose your tone by playing with the lightness, saturation and the hue. Once you're done, press Ctrl+I to invert the layer mask. Grab the lasso tool and select the part you want to color. Then switch to the brush tool, set hardness to 100%, and make sure your brush color is white. Now select the yellow color and create another curves layer using the same selection. This way it only applies to that color. Play around with it until you get the exact look you want. Once we finish, merge all your layers and convert them into a smart object. Then open the camera raw filter. This is where magic happens. Press this icon to see the before and after and start tweaking the sliders until you find what looks best. After I finished, added the gray light behind Ron so he pops even more. And there's the final result, bro. Easy. Lemon squeezy, man. Don't play on. I hope you enjoyed this YouTube tutorial. You can follow me and my community on Twitter. I'm always posting quick tutorials and breakdowns there, so make sure you don't miss a single one, man. And let's level up your game, push.